In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI business reports using DeepSeek with this full 2025 guide. First, log into your DeepSeek account and open the chat. To start, type a prompt like generate a business report for Q4 sales or any report topics you need. For better results, include key details such as data points, target audience, format, and the tone you want: professional, formal, or concise. You can also upload spreadsheets, PDFs, or documents and ask DeepSeek to analyze the data and create charts, summaries, or insights. If you want adjustments, just type prompts like make this shorter, add key metrics, or include recommendations. Once you're satisfied with the output, copy it into your preferred software like Word or Google Docs and finalize formatting. And that's it.